What's going on, guys? Welcome back to the channel. So the way we're looking at this today is that I feel that this market is getting into an ending diagonal pattern, right? And we're looking to see if the wave 5 unfolds coming into tomorrow. As you guys can clearly see, right now is 7:34 p.m. and the futures market is currently gapping down. So maybe this is the pattern that is unfolding, and actually this is what we set out this morning to our traders over at Trending Waves in the Discord group. So at 7:30 in the morning, this is the exact chart that I told him. Watch out for 407, which is the break north of the wave 2, and the chart looks like this, right? When we set that this morning, and sure enough, it played out as expected, right? We continue up higher in the wave 4. We held below the resistance line, all right, of the falling wedge or the ending diagonal, right? And now what we're going to look for is another leg lower coming into tomorrow, all right, for the wave 5 of wave C of wave 2 before we potentially can set that low, all right, and rally into the next leg higher. All right, the way I see this, guys, is that maybe there's some sort of surprise coming into Powell minutes, right, on Wednesday. So don't forget the Powell, the meeting minutes from the FOMC is going to be released on Wednesday. So maybe there's something in there that's going to surprise the market in a dovish way, right, or a bullish way, and we're going to see that rally. All right, I don't know, but that's the game plan. So that's the type of mentality that we have here, right? That's the type of game plan and strategies that we're trying to implement. But so far, we've been holding our short positions, anticipating on the leg lower. So what does that chart, the chart look like? If we see rejection, then it is likely that this is a smaller 1, 2, 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. All right, that is probably what's going to happen if we start rejecting this trend line and we start breaking lower. All right, so the levels to watch, guys, is a break north of 4797 after we break this low, after we make a little bit of a lower low on the wave 5. All right, and ultimately, if we continue on lower, okay, then we have to watch out for the break south of 394.72. Sorry, not 394, 380.99. All right, the low of last week. All right, for then our target are going to be 365.96, which is 100% extension of the wave 1 versus the wave 2. All right, at which point we may see the market head on a bit lower or may bounce into the wave 4 before we get the fifth wave of wave 3. The markets are still going to, in this scenario, the markets will still likely head on lower. But in the event that we get something positive coming into tomorrow and Wednesday, then this is the count that I'm favoring. Okay, guys? So keep that in mind. And over to the IWM, which is the chart that I wanted to talk to you guys about today. Because if I zoom into the 15-minute time frame, for instance, right? IWM is displaying 5 waves, right? 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5, right? ABC down to 278.6% retracement. Now, you know, if you've been watching this channel for a couple of months now, you know that the 78.6% retracement in the wave 2, I'm not a fan of. So I'm not throwing all my eggs in one basket, believing that this is the count for the IWM for small caps. But oftentimes small caps are the leaders, right? They may be the ones that start showing the indications that the markets are going to change direction, whether it's low or high, right? IWM normally will start displaying that type of momentum. So in this case, right, we have 5 waves up into the wave 1, 3 waves pull back into the wave 2, something that I love to see, right? To start confirming if the impulsive structure is unfolding. In this case, there might be a small evidence, so keep that in mind. I'm gonna take you guys over to the triple Qs or NASDAQ, right? And the way we're looking at this, guys, all right, 1, 2, 1, 2, and then we're looking for the next leg lower into the wave 3. Downside target is 265.05. All right. Let me show you the 1 hour time frame because it's a little bit more clear. So the way this is what I'm looking for, right? So wave 1, ABC 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 3. 265.05 will be the target to the downside before we get a relief rally in the wave 4 and then a last leg lower in the wave 5 of wave 3. Then we met with another relief rally in the wave 4, a correction to this whole counter trend move before our last leg lower into the wave 2 of wave 5, sorry, of wave C of wave 5. This targets, I won't project them just yet until we see a completed wave 3 and potentially the wave 4. But for now, we are projecting that if we go up to the daily time frame, right, 260.01 could be our targets in the NASDAQ or triple Qs. And for the SPY, we have about 355.57 or 360 for our downside target. All right, guys. So that's it for me tonight. I hope I hope this was clear. Let me know if that ending diagonal was clear for you guys. Leave your comments down in the comment section or your thoughts. Let me know what you guys are looking at, what levels are you preparing for, and let's look forward to a discussion. All right. Otherwise, join Trending Waves. The link to the Discord group is down in the comment section, and give this video a thumbs up. Don't forget, join Trending Waves, subscribe to the channel. Thank you so much. Take care. Bye bye.